Okay. You said you're scared of bats? Take that, loser! But wait. Take a look at this little nigga. Yeah. That's real. I didn't make that. You can't make this shit up. That exists. For you old crones born in 1992, this was a real tabloid in supermarkets. A fictional fucking story about a bat child in a cave. What is this world coming to? I say it like it happened now, but that was literally over 2 decades ago. So that made no sense. The craziest part is that this is one of their many stories, but this one got the most attention. I mean, with a face like that, I could see why.